Have you ever wondered what 100,000 can get you in Kigali? In this video, I'm about to show you one house. In fact, it's this one right here in front of me. It's a nice house out here in Rusororo for sale for $100,000. It's in Kigali. You get a 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a really nice house with spacious bedrooms and all the beautiful details. I'm excited to show you everything about this house. Just stay tuned. What's up everyone, Prince of Man here from Rwanda. Now, I'm about to show you this house. This house is a nice one. In fact, it's a 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, one of the best houses you can buy for 100,000 here in Kigali. 2 car parking space, and I'm talking about big cars. If you have small cars, even 4 might fit, because from what the eye can see, this is a spacious parking space, small garden on the side, a little garnish, but then the house itself, it's a nice townhouse. You have, it's nice facade you have right here. You can notice a few things just from the outside, like all the windows are actually finished with aluminium. There are aluminium doors, and then we have a wooden door just for the main entrance, but overall just an inviting facade for this particular property. Oh, reminding you, if you want to buy this house, our contact details are in the description down below, so you can buy it. Entering this property, man, you find a spacious living room. Look at all this space. Pretty fun, like you can fit any set of sofas here, beautiful chandelier here. You have your TV lines on this side and this side, so if you want to set up like this, it can fit, or like this, it can also fit. Aluminium windows, a big one to bring in natural light. And on this side, we transition on the dining area. So here you can fit, I believe, a 6-seater could fit perfectly. Chandelier again in the middle for the dining area. You can realize that it's actually an open floor plan. So we have a kitchen, spacious one. I'm at the far end. You have tons of cabinets on this side, space for your stove, double sink on that side, but then plenty of storage, cabinetry, granite countertops, and a little breakfast table that you could just have on this side. I think these shared areas are fantastic. The back as well is actually spacious. Look at all this space, because usually in Rwanda you leave a small space for the annex, but this is a big annex. You have your toilet over here, you have your washing room over here, you have your maid room over here, and then you have an additional room that you can use as a kitchen that has a little storage inside as well over here. Up top, it's concrete, so you have storage for a tank, 5,000 liters. Plenty of room, all tiled up nicely. This is a really nice back of this particular property. Now let's get back inside. Entering again, we get back into the kitchen and we find this structure. The structure of this property, we have 1 bedroom down here, self-contained, and 3 bedrooms upstairs with 2 bathrooms. This bedroom is spacious. Many people usually ask me that they want to buy a storied house, but can they find a house that has a downstairs master bedroom and an upstairs master bedroom? And I think this one does it, because this bedroom is huge. From what I can eyeball, it's like 4 meters by 4 meters, which is big. So you can fit a king size bed on this side, which is big. You have your closet as well, so you have plenty of room for your bedroom. Again, I love the color textures they went with. They don't shout at all, so if you wanted to put a little accent of paint here and there, you can do it. It doesn't shout. It's a little, it's a kind of purplish color, but then that is light. This room is self-contained, so we have a nice bathroom on this side. Of course, very enclosed. Oh, it's loud. Of course, it's still new. It needs some oiling, but very good bathroom. your toilet on this side, and vanity. I think the placement of the devices is nice, and the fact that it's well enclosed adds value to this particular bedroom. Now, there's one little spot that they did very nicely here. They left this room. It's actually a room because one can use it as an office. It's under the stairs. It's well isolated. You have a window for ventilation and natural light, because up here we have some roofers. But then, one can set up a nice office in this basement, or a security room for those ones that need a little panic room somewhere, that could serve the two purposes, or a storage room. Who doesn't need extra storage? These stairs takes us, of course, on the first floor, and coming here, you get to see that I still have a lot of natural light. Two wall sconces on this side. We have a big window at the back, but then we get to this landing. It's a corridor that takes us to the remaining of the bedrooms. We have two bedrooms that share a bathroom on this side. So this is what the bedrooms look like. Again, not small bedrooms at all. You can fit a queen size bed over here. You have a little balcony. I think they sacrificed the space for the bedroom to the balcony, but it's nice to have one. And then you have this space that can fit a closet, which really good. Of course, sliding door for the aluminum door for the ventilation and natural light. And of course, we have the second bedroom on this side, similar size. You have a balcony. Again, they sacrificed the space of the bedroom by creating the balcony, which gives it an extra touch. But as well, this can fit a nice queen size bed, and you have a niched out area on that side for your closet. These two bedrooms share this bathroom over here, and the bathroom is interesting as well. Of course, similar setup to what we saw downstairs. Enclosed. Come on, man. Oh, okay. Enclosed sliding door. Pretty loud. It's still new. Needs some oiling. Of course, a nice rain head and shower handheld, which is fantastic. Your toilet and your vanity on this side. Of course, the master bedroom is the one that is remaining. And man, look at the size of this thing. This master bedroom is huge. It's huge. You can fit a king size bed here, super king size bed. Any size of bed can fit in here. Again, closet space on this side. You have your TV plugs if you want to have the TV in your bedroom. Plenty and plenty of space for this particular room. And as if that's not enough, we have an additional small room on that side, which can fit an additional closet or a dressing table or an office, however you see fit. And on this side, that's where we find the master bathroom. Again, good size of a master bathroom. You have your vanity space on this side, you have your toilet, and of course a walk-in shower, rain head above, handheld, quality stuff, sliding glass door just to keep the water inside. I love the use of space in this particular house. Of course, this can't finish without a little balcony. As you noticed, every single bedroom upstairs has a balcony. So the master house also has a little balcony on this side, but then it has a nice view of Gasogi, of Bumbogo, and again you get to see what your neighbors look like. It's not a shabby neighborhood. Okay, all right everyone, that's it to the episode. We saw this house, which is $100,000 and for sale out here in Rusororo. It's a 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, spacious house from inside, very beautiful finishes everywhere. I mean, I love this house. It's built on 270 square meters and you can buy this today. Just find our contact details in the description down below. Subscribe if you're new here. We post content like this on a regular basis. Give us a like. YouTube loves it and we love to have you every single time. Until next time.